Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will teach you about the best insurance company in USA 2023. Okay. So protect your home and wealth. EJC Insurance and Financial Top Insurance Alliance SIAA. Okay. So we will go down, down and down. So down, down and down. Here are the six best life insurance companies of 2023. Best insurance companies in the United States 2023 ranking. In 2023, the National Association of Insurance Commissioners NAIC published the turnover as of 31 December 2002 of the active insurers in the United States. The top 25 life insurers accumulated 139.41 billion USD, that is 72.01 of life premiums. Meanwhile, the top 25 life insurers accumulated 139.41 billion USD, that is 72.01 of life premiums. Meanwhile, the 25 leaders in non-life insurance generated a turnover of 583.64 billion USD, that is 67.06. Okay. So yes, these are the best car insurance companies in USA in 2023 ranking wise. Okay, so that's it for the video. See you in next video. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.